बिस्मिल्लाहि अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला अशरफिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन. So, the side of the edge of the tongue. Today, that alphabets that originate from the side edge, like side edge, not mid, not tip, edges of the tongue. The only unique word, dot. The thing need to be very clear while pronouncing this particular harf. Here it is. There are three ways to pronounce it. This is how Arab pronounced in here, particularly in Pakistan. There is some other way of saying, but we're not gonna do this here. हम यहाँ से वो देखेंगे जैसे अरब पढ़ता है, बिकॉज लकीली जहाँ मैंने पढ़ा मदरसे में तो वहाँ कुछ देर वाज सम अरब स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक जिनकी मदर लैंग्वेज अरबी है, तो उनसे चीज़ें कुछ सीखने को मिली. एक तरीका क्या है इस दौद को पढ़ने का, ये आपकी दिस इज द स्केच ऑफ द टंग and this is the sketch of your floor of the mouth, like upper portion, the upper teeth. These are the upper teeth. The first option is the left edge of the tongue. जो बाईं एज है जबान की, ये बाएं साइड पर लगी ऊपर वाले हिस्से पे. द अपर पोर्शन, the left edge of the tongue, edge of the tongue, and the tip at the this ending portion of the floor of the mouth, the upper portion of the mouth, like just beneath the, just behind the upper teeth, just behind the upper teeth. Left portion of the tongue, left portion of the upper edge of the mouth with front tip here, this yellow part. This is one way. Similarly, it can be right edge of the tongue, right portion with this. This is crucial. This is crucial. And the third possibility is the both edges. Some people have flat tongue, some have relatively thin tongue. For some people it's possible simultaneously to attach on both of the sides, but not for all. So either you can attach or touch any of the edge, or both, all are okay. And then the tip must be there. So you will pronounce dad. Dad. How it's different from dal? When you say dal, the sides are not attached. Sides are not touch any of the side. That side of the tongue stay away from the side of the teeth and or entire mouth. When you say dal, like dawa, that one dal. But here is dad. It is a crucial stuff. जरूरी है, लाजमी है कि आपकी साइडें भी लगनी चाहिए. If you say from the side, this approximately would be the shape. And then the alphabets that articulate from the end of the tongue, like where is the tongue gonna end in our throat. Kaf, just almost end of the tongue within our mouth. We are not concerned with the inner portion, that where is tongue going in this tajweed course as long as concerned. So kaf. kaf, just almost end, like it's kitab, like book. We are not making it heavy, simply kaf. This is one thing, and this is second thing. We have done with the first one. Let's see the second one. Qaf. You see, little bit more lower than, little bit more lower portion of the tongue. Like it was relatively high in simple kaf, but when it's the kaf with double dot, then this is further lower toward the neck, further lower toward the throat. Here is the comparison. You see, up till here it's okay, up till here it's okay, like if you comparison with this shaded area, but here you can see only this portion, not this portion. For this thick kaf, only this much portion. This is kaf, this is qaf. Qalbun. When you say qalbun, qalb mean heart, dil. But if you say kalbun, kalbun mean literally dog, कुत्ते को कहते हैं. So imagine if you just inverted these two while pronouncing, how many changing in the meanings can happen. Scary thought. Another way of understanding the kaf and qaf. Here is a flesh of meat just hanging in our throat. Below this qaf and before it kaf. ये हमारे गले में, जिसे हम उर्दू में घंटी कहते हैं, पता नहीं उर्दू में कहते हैं या नहीं कहते, लेकिन घंटी कहते हैं इसे. तो उससे नीचे होता है जी हमारा काफ, और ये काफ उससे ऊपर होता है. एक्सरसाइज यूनिक था, तो उसको मैं ले रहा हूं, बाकी रिलेटिवली इजी है, तो वो आपके एंड पे अद, सिंपली उद, दी दो विद from the Quran, adhaka, innahu huwa adhaka. He is the one who make us happy or provide us with smile, जो हमें हंसाता है, and जो हमें रुलाता है, जो हमें हंसाता है और हमें रुलाता है. And then Dad, very 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 famous, बोला दौलीन, सूरह फातिहा. अदिल्ला, अदिल्ला, एक देयर इज अ दुआ, मसनून दुआ, लिविंग द होम, दिए उसमें लफ्ज आता है, अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अऊज़ु बिका अन अदिल्ला औ अदल्ला. अल्लाह सेव मी फ्रॉम द वन हु गॉट स्ट्रेड, जो गुमराह हुए, जो भटक गए. एंड देन विद दम्मा, विद पेश, मग़ज़ूबी, सूरह फातिहा, गैरिल मग़ज़ूबी अलैहिम.